Ladies and gentlemen, it's me again here, Junttaman. This time my travels have taken me to very secret place in middle of nowhere in eastern Finland. Actually close to Russian border. I'm here with the Finnish pitcher dog called Ruuti. You can see him also walking there to sauna. Korpikorsu is the place and we are here actually beaver hunting. It might sound a little bit strange to you, the beaver hunting, but actually we really are hunting beaver here. And this is the main building of Korpikorsu. Made like a World War II style accommodation. Very nice place, room for 22 people. Then there's a couple more dogs. Dogs there in the cage, lying on the roof. Still snow here, about 50 centimeters, and ice on the lake. Yesterday we killed a beaver which was about 12 kilos on weight. Today we hope to get some more. There's a little fireplace also here where you can sit and cook some sausages and maybe take a beer or two. And that building there is the smoke sauna, the most traditional sauna in Finland. It will be heated tonight. Actually, they started to heat it 8 hours ago. It has 2000 kilos of stone on the stove, so very good sauna we will have after the hunting. There's a small sauna also and one floating sauna in the lake. So the 3 types of the sauna here. You know that we Finns love to take sauna every now and then. So Korpikorsu is the place. There's some old guns also from the World War II gathered here. And a very nice place to spend some time with. And if you wanna check how the Korpikorsu and their services are, you can check it. Their webpage is www.korpikorsu.fi. So I will sneak now to sauna and then have a couple hours in sauna and maybe a beer and then the dinner and then to sleep. So see you soon back at the Juntan factory. We have some important news coming out soon this week. Thank you. Bye.